In this video, I'll show you how to create advanced Figma prototypes that mimic the real typing interaction in Figma, avoiding its technical limitations. I'll share with you your free Figma template where you will be able to type with your keyboard. As you can see on the video, it supports upper and lowercase, a bunch of different symbols and numbers. Also, you can switch between text fields with only one click. So basically what you need to do is to open the Figma template from the link below, select the stack with text fields and related components and paste them into your designs. Also, don't forget to paste variables into your file. You can do it simply by clicking the button below. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, I selected a component and you see that there are like a bunch of different symbols and assign interactions where the trigger is the press key. So if you want to add or remove any symbol, you need to do it here. And you can see that where the main variable is assigned to, so you cannot duplicate components and to reuse them multiple times. If you want to paste these fields into your designs, you simply need to select text fields from the stack and to paste them into your designs. And then you will be able to check it into your prototype mode to see how it works. And as you can see, it looks exactly like in the template. I can easily imagine that you might need more text fields. So in order to do that, you need to go to local variables and create text variables. Basically, you just need to replicate these variables that already exist in the file. As you can see, there are variables for the first, the second, the third input, and you just need to do the same for the fourth. After that, you need to go to your components and duplicate them from there and to adjust the property field so that you will use this identifier in your designs. And then one of the most complicated parts is to adjust all the components. So basically you need to change the variable for the text field and then to go to properties, and it's the most time consuming part when you need to change all the third value to the fourth value so that we like all these adjustments will go to the correct string. And yeah, unfortunately, currently there is no way to do bulk edit for all the interactions, so you need to do that manually. And then you need to do a similar procedure for the text field components. And as you can see, there are some conditions applied, and basically that's the reason why you can switch in the prototype between fields with one click. So the logic is following here. Here should be added all the conditions for all the fields except the active one. For example, if we are adding the fourth field, then we need to make sure the first, the second one, the third one, they are all added here. And basically you need to just to create the same conditions but for another text field. Make sure there is no typo because it's very critical for this part of the interface. And unfortunately, also, there is no way to duplicate that easily. And then you need to do the same for all interactions in a new component. And then to go back to previous components, existing ones as well, and to check all the conditions, making sure that they're all inputs added except the selected one. And the final touch, just copy and paste the component you just created, adjust it, and tie a variable, the fourth input variable, to the state property.